Hello everyone, happy Tuesday. I'm gonna go through a couple model problems for our homework today. We are on lesson 5. In your homework packets, we are on page 27 here. I'm gonna go through the first problem for each activity just so that everyone's on the same page. So for activity 1, we are writing the correct fraction for each letter. Some fractions are greater than 1. So what I did here for problem 1 was I counted how many fair shares we had on the number line before the 1. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4 fair shares. I then went in and added my unit fractions. So we know we had 4 fair shares, so that would be the denominator of each of our unit fractions. And then I just went through and labeled all of the numerators. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So since we have E here is after our 1, our unit fraction for this would be 5 out of 4. So then going on to number 2 here, the first thing I'm going to do is count how many fair shares we have marked on our number line. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I know that our denominator is going to be 5. Then I'm going to go back in and label 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we have 3 more letters after the 1. Our denominator is going to stay the same. It's going to be a 5. But our fraction is going to look a little funny because we are past the 1. So we'll have 6 out of 5, 7 out of 5, and 8 out of 5. So just do the last problem and then send that to me via email. For activity 2, we're going to divide the rectangles into the fair shares indicated. So for number 1, we're looking for eighths. First thing I'm going to do is going to cut that right down the middle. We need 8 fair shares. So then I'm going to cut those halves down the middle and then double count what I have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. And we need 8. So the last thing I'm going to do is cut each of those down the middle again. And then count again. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're looking for 8 fair shares. And I'll do the next one again. This one we're looking for fifths. So I need 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's how you do activity 2. Next, for activity 3, we're going to draw a rod to represent one whole for each problem and then sketch our fraction. So our first unit fraction we have is 1 over 3 or 1/3. So I'm going to draw my rectangle. And from the unit fraction, we need 3 whole parts. So we want to see 3 parts in our rectangle. 1, 2, 3. Then we want to show one of those 3 parts. So I'm just going to draw a shaded area on one of the 1, 2, 3 parts of the rectangle. So for the next one, I'm going to draw another whole rectangle. And we're looking for 1 over 4 or 1/4. So I know with the 4, our denominator, we need 4 pieces of the whole. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Our numerator is the 1, so I'm going to shade 1 part of our rectangle to give us 1 over 4. That's how you do activity 3. Activity 4 I'm not going to go through because you guys have shown that you know how to do these kinds of math problems. So let me know if you have any questions on the homework today. You can reach me via email or via Google Chat. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.